I wish I could say that I'm lying about this being my third time recording this video, but I'm not. I've been wanting / trying to record this no foundation makeup look, like literally since I was in London. This is what I've been doing on the daily. Not on the daily, I'm tripping. Lately, if I'm like going out but I don't want to do a full glam but I still want to look a little cute, this is what I've been doing. I'm starting out with skincare. I am using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Concealer. You're not really gonna be able to see with this light. But I'm using that all over my face. Then I'm also gonna take the e.l.f. primer and put that underneath my eye. I was tripping, y'all. I'm like, all right, the sun don't set until 5:30. I got time. My house is not facing the sun. I came out of the shower like, oh girl, you're kind of tripping. I'm just gonna rub this into my eye. But yeah, I was like, I want to record a video, and then, sorry, I'm like, is my shelf stable? I was like, I want to record a video, and then it got dark, so I had to bust out my lights. That is a sign for you to not procrastinate with whatever you've been trying to do or wanting to do. Gonna put on some lip gloss to hydrate, and then we're gonna get into it. First, I'm gonna take my Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade Cookie. And I am going to put this in the inner corner of my eye. And a little bit up here. Then with my NARS, I am going to take a brush. This would work best if I had like the actual NARS Radiant Concealer, but we doing what it do. I'm gonna put that in the middle of that area. Grab my Benefit Brow Wiz. No, it's called Gimme Brow. And I am just going to comb my eyebrows up. I need my eyebrows done super bad. I'm going to see my real lash lady in a couple weeks. Cause that one in London did me dirty, did me dirty. Capital D, like Dirty Dan. Then I'm gonna grab a makeup or an eyebrow pencil. Grabbing that eyebrow pencil, I'm going to lightly underline my eye. This pencil isn't the best. I honestly prefer the Morphe pencils. Filling in the blanks. And of course, blending out that front. This is my unruly child over here. It was already uneven, and then like, I don't know what that lady did. She gave me a whole new shape, or rather, lack thereof one. But yeah, I'm back from London. How's everyone doing? I've been back since November. It is November. See how my mind is right now? I've been back since November 7th. And I'm just trying to get settled in. I've literally filmed like 3 videos and just didn't post them because I didn't like how they were, or I didn't like my makeup in them. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling it, and I'm not the type of person that's gonna just like put stuff out if I'm not feeling it, so I just didn't post. And I'd rather do that than give everyone like stuff that I'm not happy with, because I feel like you can tell when people aren't happy with what they're putting out. And that's not for me. Yeah, that brow a little cray, but we gonna deal. Then I'm taking the NYX Control Free. I'm gonna brush those eyebrow pieces up again. Gel them in place. I kind of like to do 2 layers of this. While that is drying, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to get the concealer, or to put the concealer on my face, and I really should. I'm gonna grab a towel. I need to clean this brush in general, but right now I'm gonna wipe off the excess product with a towel. Then I'm gonna go in and pat that in place. I'm pretty much staying in this one spot. Blend, 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 blend. And then look up and move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. And having that natural color in the middle right there is gonna like mellow out the highlight. That way we're not doing too much. Bring it down some. I don't know, lately I just been like back into my makeup. Does anybody else have those like periods of time where you're like, I'm done with makeup, and then you get back into it and you're like, I want to try new products, I'm watching tutorials, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then it might die down, it might not. Right now this has been my jam. I hope I do it right. It would be a shame if I'm like, this is my jam, and then I'm not happy with it. So you see that side versus that side? Yeah. I love that NARS concealer that I put in the middle. Like honestly, I feel like it, like you can't even tell that I have concealer right there. I kind of want to go to Ulta, but I hate going to like makeup stores around the holiday time because they're either out of everything, or it's like I can never find what I'm looking for, and it's crowded. But I think I want to get a shade brighter in the concealer. Since it's winter time, I'm getting lighter in this shade. Like it's highlighting, but I think I could be more highlighted. Oops. I know it kind of seemed like it's not blended out all the way, but don't worry, we're gonna get right. This NARS foundation, the color is Caracas. I'm putting that where I usually would contour at. And then with this e.l.f. Kabuki brush, I'm just gonna push that up into the highlighter as if I'm doing a contour. Around my edges, again, all the places that I would usually put contour at. Same on this side. If you notice, I'm also kind of like taking it on the edges and blending that right there. Shaboobalabookie. But looking in the camera, I'm like, I kind of want to blend a little more. I'm gonna do a tiny, tiny, tiny dollop of this NARS concealer right there. And right there. And blend that out as well. Just to brighten that under eye up even more. Now that that's blended, I'm gonna take my Fenty powder. I might switch back to Laura Mercier. I'm not sure yet. And I got these little poofaloofs at Target. You don't have to use this. You can use a normal sponge or like a wet beauty blender. I loved using a wet beauty blender. I just don't feel like getting up and wetting it right now. And I'm gonna put that on all the parts that I just highlighted. While that is chilling on my face right there, I am going to grab a fluffy brush and a bronzer right here in Mocha Mommy. I'm gonna do a little scoop doop whoop whoop and pop that right here. Then I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finish powder. This is in the shade 3 with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to brush all of that baking powder away and just like set my whole face. Then I'm taking this Sephora brand, that same brush I used to contour with. I'm gonna place that in the same spots that I contoured at, or bronzed at rather. Temples. I'm gonna bring it across my nose this time though. Give us a little warmth. Then with a small blending brush, I'm gonna go back into that contour and just shadow up my nose a little bit. And also use this as a little bit of eyeshadow. This is not a good blush for blending, but and that is literally it. You can put on mascara if you want. You can switch the lips up. I probably should conceal like under my eyebrows, but I kind of just don't care right now. I can take my scarf off though. But this is what the finished face looks like. It's giving, does she have on makeup? Probably not. And who's gonna know? I hope that y'all enjoyed and saw a product or two that you want to try. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll catch up with y'all next time. Bye.